Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I am stuck in rush hour traffic, and if anyone is from the GTA and is in the West End, they know this is the 401 westbound where they're doing construction and it's a nightmare. Hey, Model 3 right there. What I want to show you today is a cool little, I guess it's a trick, but maybe it's a little hack, or maybe it's just a little glitch in Tesla, and maybe they'll patch it, or maybe it's always been there and I just haven't noticed. Let me show you. So I'm in autopilot, got my hands on the wheel and everything, but I'm in autopilot and stuck in this kind of traffic. Let me open up the web browser. Now, this is just for educational purposes, folks. I strongly advise you not to do this while you're driving, but I'm showing you that it can be done. But I know it looks like I'm promoting it, or it'll sound like I'm promoting it. I'm not promoting it. I'm just showing you that it can be done. But don't do what I do. Just look at what I do, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So we're an electric website here. Let's go past all the there's autopilot coming back into play. This is electric. I'm gonna look for a particular article here that I was looking at earlier. Okay, sorry, so bear with me for a second. Okay, right here, this article right here. Now if I expand it, now this is Eric's Model 3, all done up by Unplugged Performance. So, but that's not what I want to show you. That's just the article. But if you scroll down here and you keep scrolling, I know, sorry, this is taking forever. Okay, there's a video, and normally it's a YouTube video, and normally, like, if I just went to try to go to navigate to YouTube, it wouldn't let me. But let me just put that back up to speed here so we catch up. I got my hands on the wheel here. It's a little dark, so I apologize for that. But look at the screen here. So here's the video there. If I press play, now correct me if I'm wrong, folks, leave a comment in the description below. If I press play, normally it would just give me a black screen and say some phrase in gray wording here that's saying basically you can't play this at this time or something. I forget what the phrase is, but it usually would do that. Now if I press play, watch what happens. There's Eric, and he's playing. Now, there's no sound. I want you to know this right now. There's no sound. At least I can figure out how to get sound out. It's just no sound. And as you can see, it's playing very, very slow. Like, it's almost like it can't keep up with, like, it's just like slow. I don't know why it's slow, but Eric's talking there. You can't hear it, but you can see it. And it's, like I said, maybe half the speed it looks like. So I don't know if it's an issue with the CPU, or I don't know. I'm not gonna pretend to know what the issue is, but it's doing it. I'm in autopilot. I'm driving, so usually this wouldn't work if I'm driving. But like I said, let me know in comments below if this has been working for you all along and I'm just an idiot and I didn't know it. And don't call me an idiot. Just be nice if you can. I've been called an idiot many times this week already. I'm married, right? So here's the other thing though. Like I said, if you navigated to YouTube, it wouldn't work. So, but if I click on top here on any YouTube video that's embedded in another site, you can always, where it shows the label of the video, you can always click on that and see what it'll do is it actually takes you right to the site. That pauses it if I touch the video, and that plays it again. Like I said, it's going really slow. Let me see if there's anything to do with sound. No, the sound's all the way up. Looks like it's playing it a little bit faster now. There's muted, unmuted. Still no sound, even if I turn the volume all the way up. Yeah, still no sound, but it looks like it's playing it maybe a little bit faster now. So maybe it just took for a while for the video to spool up or something, but it's playing it a little bit faster now. But what I was going to show you is if I go to click on this part to open it up in YouTube, right away, boom, this web page is not available. So I don't know, like I said, I don't know if it's gonna stick around. I don't know if it's a little hack that's telling me to change lanes, but I'm fine in the lane I'm in now. So I don't know if it's gonna stick around, like I said, folks, but that is what I've just noticed. Today is February 12th. So, and what version am I using? I think I'm using the latest one, the 2020 version, whatever the first version of that is. I forget what it's called. That's all I wanted to show you, folks. Let me know if this has been like that before or if it hasn't, and let me know if this is something that you can find a use for. That's all I got for you today, folks. We'll catch you on the next one. See ya.
Yeah.